When you see a red light on your Craftsman 20-volt battery charger, it's telling you there's a problem. Unlike older models where red meant charging, newer Craftsman chargers use red as a warning signal. The most common cause is a hot or cold delay. This safety feature activates when your battery temperature is outside the optimal charging range of 50 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. Different red light patterns tell you different things. A solid red light typically indicates a general problem. A blinking red light usually means a temperature issue or battery fault. If you see no light at all, this could mean the battery is completely dead or there's a connection problem. Check that the battery is properly seated in the charger and that the contact points are clean. For comparison, other light patterns include blinking green, which means charging, solid green for fully charged, and blinking green with red for hot or cold delay. Understanding these patterns helps you quickly identify what your charger is telling you. Now that we understand what the red light means, let's walk through the specific troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, address temperature-related delays. If your battery is too hot, remove it from the charger and let it cool in a shaded area. If it's too cold, bring it indoors to warm up to room temperature. If temperature isn't the issue, try resetting the battery. Connect the positive terminal to positive and negative to negative for about 15 seconds. This can resolve false temperature alerts caused by faulty sensors. If the red light is blinking rapidly, your battery may be deeply discharged. This requires specialized equipment, so contact a Craftsman support center for assistance. Clean the contact points on both the charger and battery using a dry cloth or compressed air. Dirty contacts can prevent proper charging and cause error lights. Other potential causes include a faulty charger, battery management system failure, incorrect charge voltage, or a bad outlet. Check that your outlet is working and the charger voltage matches your battery. If these steps don't resolve the issue, especially with a new battery, contact Craftsman for a replacement. Many users report success getting replacements for defective batteries under warranty. Important safety reminder: opening the charger or battery may void your warranty. Working with electrical components can be dangerous, so consult a qualified technician if you're not comfortable performing these steps.